श्रीमातीरनिवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. It's the 92nd day since the nationwide lockdown started. The subject taken up yesterday continues to be discussed today also. The second way to success, according to the Valmiki Ramayana, is Dhruti, courage. Let our youth understand that real courage lies in doing the right things, not in shooting at random, killing with axes, breaking the property of the government, which is the taxpayers' property, burning buses, etc. Hanumanji has courage. He can rise like a mountain on a mountain peak. He can fly across oceans and kill demons like flies by wanton boys. He can fly and get the life-saving herb from the mountainside. He carries the mountain itself. His courage is praised by Mother Sita. When he says, I'm just an ordinary Vanara, she says, no, my son, Vikrantasthvam, Samarthastvam, Prajnastvam, Vanarottama. Not only brave and courageous, but also proficient and efficient. Courage without conviction leads to violence, brashness, bravado, and antisocial activity. All our terrorists are courageous. Only if they were, who are shooting several innocents mercilessly, only if they were given training to save a nation from destruction, our military forces would further shine with success. Our children are strong today with baby food we give them. They know how to break things, not to make things. Courage should be evinced in all fields. It excels when there is no selfishness, no greed, no pride, no inferior motive. Have the courage to disagree with your boss if you find him going wrong. Hanumanji reprimands Sugriva when the latter suspects Sri Rama and Lakshmana to be spies. Again, after his coronation, with absolute power corrupting absolutely, Sugriva forgets the promise he made to Sri Rama to help him find his wife Mother Sita. Again, Hanumanji reminds him of the forgotten promise. My dear listeners, he is afraid of none. He speaks boldly. Even Maricha, the uncle of Ravana, has the courage to speak out to his nephew, lust-ridden Ravana. Sulabha Purushapar Rajan Satatam Priyavadinaha Apriyasya cha Pathyast Bhakta Shrota Chadurlabha. Maricha is called Mahapragnya by sage Valmiki, the great wise one, who says, O king, there are many flatterers who speak beyond words, but unpleasant, real, true words are spoken and listened to by very few. The next way to success is to have mati, conviction. Courage and conviction go together. Hence, no need to compromise. We compromise because we have no courage. We have no courage because our belief is feeble. The man of conviction is generally alone. He is not a loner. He has God and God's grace with him. You cannot have an army of saints or a political party of believers. In their loneliness, as Bernard Shaw's St. John's says, in their loneliness lies their strength. Let our youth have deep conviction in our scriptures, our great heritage, our saints, in the undying glory of our eternal values. Let them not, in a mad rush for technology, forget the human spirit. Behind the machine lies the man. Behind him, his courage. Behind his courage lies his faith. Let society stand up against wrong boldly and not indulge in dining table politics and drawing room religion. Join the silent movement of well-wishers who want to leave behind a legacy of sacrifice, compassion, belief, and good behavior. Hanumanji meets Sri Rama, and without asking Sugriva, having known about the former's divine origin, craves help for Sugriva. When Mother Sita is on the brink of suicide, he again uses his mati, stops her from committing suicide by narrating the life of King Dasharatha. Hanumanji's intelligence knows no bound. Buddhirbalam, Yashodhairyam, Nirbhayatvam, Arogata, Ajadhyam, Vakpatutvam, cha Hanumat Smaranat Bhavet. The fourth way is Dakshya, proficiency. By the grace of God, while speaking on the magnum opus called the Mahabharata, I humbly analyzed proficiency. Proficiency is expertise. It's a skill, a degree of perfection. It's the presence of a talent finding felicitous expression. It has a history of long years of practice hard work and dedication behind it. It is not enough to be only proficient. One needs to be God bound, God word, God dedicated in order to gain the pedestal of success. Hanumanji succeeded because of these four wholesome qualities, which made him an outstanding emissary of Sri Rama. When the latter is crowned in Ayodhya, Hanumanji is honored by Mother Sita for his extraordinary qualities: Tejo, Dhritir, Yasho, Dakshyam, Samarthyam, Vinayo, Nayaha, and so on. All these are Sri Hanumanji's exclusive qualities. उन्हीं पाद को लेके बैठे भक्त मारुति अपने हाथ, उन्हीं पाद को लेके बैठे भक्त मारुति अपने हाथ। रघुवंश नायक बैठे हैं रघुवंश सिंहासन पे आज, साथ विराजे जानकी और सर पे इक्ष्वाकु ताज, साथ विराजे जानकी और सर पे इक्ष्वाकु ताज। रघुवंश नायक बैठे हैं रघुवंश सिंहासन पे आज। थैंक यू।